Hey guys, Ramita Love back here. I have to start the new video because Kevin pressed the wrong button.
Sorry guys.
Oh my god. So there's gonna be a part 2. There's gonna be a part 2. But anyway guys, we're like 40 minutes away from the spot. We're almost there. I'm hoping my battery doesn't die on me. Okay, in a little while we're gonna go get some hamburgers. I'm gonna show you I'm going to introduce you to the cook of the boat, of the Queen Fleet, and what you do when you get here. I mean, when you're ready to eat. Okay? Don't forget, I love you so, so much from the bottom of my heart. Please believe that. Please believe it. Okay, we're going to get some hamburgers. Where are they? Where is it? Okay, this is the kitchen area, guys. This is the kitchen area. This is the kitchen area. Where is he?
I don't know.
Go see if he's outside. We're getting hamburgers, guys. We're getting hamburgers. Anyway, if you get on the Queen Fleet, guys, right? And you're hungry, they make your food here. And he makes everything fresh. Yeah, he brings it from home.
Not around.
He's not around? Maybe he's up with the captain? Yeah. Say hello. Wait. Say hello.
Hello.
How you doing?
How are you?
This is another member of the boat. Family member of the boat. Okay? You're gonna come out in the channel.
Okay. You guys been out here?
Huh?
Been out here?
Yeah.
Okay.
We've been here 4 months.
Oh, wow. I've been here a year.
Okay.
Princeton, Pottstown, Philly. It'll be about 10-15 minutes.
Okay. Oh. This is our cook.
Hi.
Say hello.
So no cheese, right?
No. You want cheese, baby? He wants
I
cheese.
got a
So
cheeseburger ready.
one which okay.
There's a cheeseburger.
I just put $1. You want the cheeseburger, baby?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll wait for mine then.
No, actually, I'll wait.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay, guys. I know it's not a full-on mukbang, but we're eating hamburger.
They're excellent.
This is what they sell on the boat,
Excellent.
and they're excellent. You know, I put my Cholula. I put my Cholula on it. The boat is stopping, guys. Oh my God. It is good.
Right?
Alright, folks, we're going to get started here in just a minute. Please remember, wait to hear you should stop. We got the lines down. Remember, real facing up. Focus on this.
Eat, baby.
Really good.
Right hand side of the reel. Let the lines drop all the way down to the bottom. If you get stuck at the bottom and you can't get it out, call the first person on the toe. Do not release the lever. If you're stuck at the bottom, folks, you'll get a big backlash. You want to try to point down if you can. When you reach this square, find on the hook, folks. You don't have to be more than that on there. Make sure the hook point is sticking out. Might use the thread here. There
Excellent.
on top of the fish box.
Right?
You can help yourself.
Cheers. Then, right?
There
Isn't
will
that
be
right?
some buckets on the deck behind you. If you catch drunk, you can take it off the hook.
Dispose of the boat.
Drunks don't come along, collect them from sure where you give you a number. Please remember that number because that's where your fish will be at the end of the
Queen
day.
Fleet.
Great numbers have to be drunk.
Queen Fleet rocks. It rocks.
Gag numbers have to be
Oh my God, it's so good. This is our first stop, guys. All right, this is our first stop.
Go.
Say hello to my grands.
Hey, hello, my friends.
Yes, we're gonna. What we catching today? Big fish.
Oh yeah, things are looking good.
Yes, let's do this. Oh God, I'm tipsy. I was being a clown. There you go. Huh? I want to pinfish, Kevin. I'm not playing. I didn't come today to play no games with these fish.
You're serious about this today, aren't you?
Huh?
You're serious about this today.
Listen, I'm serious about fishing every day.
You got him?
Yep. Let's go. You guys are seeing this? Okay, guys. You're here fishing with me. This is what I do for fun. I know I'm not cooking. I'm not setting up the plate, but we catching the fish to set up the plate. Let's get this big fish. Come on now, guys. Come on now. Cheer me on. I love you, my grands. I want to thank you for being here. I want to thank you for watching me. Keep your mind positive, okay? Let's spread some positive vibes out into that universe, okay? Let's be kind to others. Let's be kind to ourselves, okay? And let's run with faith. This is our first spot, guys, where we're gonna throw our lines. We're waiting for the captain to give us the okay. Okay? And this fish, whatever fish we catch, you already know, we're gonna cook it for Seafood Sunday. Assume the position, he said. Say hello to my grands.
Hello, Grand.
Okay, folks, go ahead, drop on down.
Let's go.
Good luck.
Okay. You guys are watching? Watch the line. Watch it. Keep it tight. Just keep it tight. You see it? It's nice and tight. You got one, baby? Kevin got one.
Oh, I may be on the bottom.
You may be on the bottom?
Probably took me. You got a group on me already?
You on the bottom, baby? Just reel.
Stuck on the bottom, look like.
Yeah, 3. We were 3 Friday. We were number 3 Friday. Oh, look at you, baby. Okay, Kevin's first fish. What is it?
It's a little gag grouper.
Little gag grouper.
We need about 10 times that one.
Okay.
Yeah, put him in there.
What, baby? I don't know. Let's see. It was probably eating my bait. Let it loose. Let me see. Yeah, let it loose. Let your spool loose, and then go like that, and it'll unhook itself. Right. Just go like that. Let it loose. Go like that. Yeah. It'll come off. Soon it will come off. Real. Real.
Nope.
Still?
Yeah.
Oh, you almost had it. You got it?
Loose, yeah.
I know what I'm doing. You would not lose it with me. I'm telling you.
Hey, I didn't put my bait yet.
No, you still got it. So now you know what to do, okay?
Yep.
Look at you. Go ahead. Hey.
Right in the bucket. Yeah, we did.
Good, baby? Yeah. We got this, guys. We got this. Think positive. Think positive. We got this. Baby, you was the first one to catch something on the boat. Good for you. Come on, let me see what's going on. What, baby? No, don't worry, I'll get a bite. When it's ready, it'll happen. Oh. Oh yeah, I'm getting bites, but Yeah, I want him to fix this rod, baby. I don't like this. I don't like the swivel. I don't like the way the weight is down with the hook. I don't like it. Nope. I'm going to have him change it. Yeah. No. You do what you got to do, baby. What was his name? God, I hate when I... Can you change this? It's not working for me. I don't like it. Do what you said. Put the weight up there. Yeah, do it. Yeah. It's a distraction for these fish. Don't worry. You're going to get a good tip.
See, your pinfish is dead?
Yeah.
This is burying its head in the wall.
Yeah. Those that make no fucking sense. Just fix it.
Alright, I'm locking back. Yeah, it's burying your pinfish's head in the dirt.
Yeah. Thank you.
Causing them to die.
Yep. I knew he was wrong. I was like, it didn't make sense. It didn't make sense to me. It had no common sense when he said that to me.
Like that.
But we went to a bait shop and he said, do it this way. So maybe he just wanted me to buy more weights and buy, that shit. This asshole.
Yeah, it just killed.
And I'm going to let him know.
Tell him the deck can't see this.
Motherfucker, I spent like fucking...
Tell him the deckhand on the boat you went on said it's crazy.
No, I'm going to let him know. I'm like, listen, I gave you a heart-to-heart talk. This is going to be my permanent bait shop. Okay? I told you to be honest with me.
Take this off?
All right, thank you. Yeah, I'm going to get a new one. Thank you, love. Yeah. Shit. Oh, baby, sorry. Oh my God. Okay, stay where you at. Stay where you at. Stay where you at. Okay, sorry. Yep, that's it. You got it, baby. You got it. Let me catch the big fish. You catch. Do it again. Let it go.
Yeah.
Okay, give it enough space and then do that. Same thing. It will get unhooked. Okay, start reeling up.
So when you hear the engine start up, that means we're moving. So you want to go ahead and reel your lines up, hook those to the crossbars.
Mm-hmm.
To the strings in front of you. Please wait to hear the engine stop again before you drop your lines back down.
All right, guys, we're gonna move. We're moving, guys. We're moving. We're moving to another spot. Okay, we're back on, guys. We're in a second location. I'm getting bites. Ooh, that was a big bite. right there. Oh, you're gonna see a lot of jellyfish. Jesus.
Here's the baby remora. It's a little baby remora.
Show the camera.
It's a baby remora.
Baby remora.
It's on back there.
Yeah.
Go back to your mama.
Hmm. Aren't they supposed to be like attached to the mom's belly? Like, you know, like they get attached to it when they come out? Yeah. That's just the weight and going up and down. They ate your bait? Try it.
Yeah, I'm gonna try shrimp.
Here, no.
No, I'm gonna try shrimp.
Okay.
I was
What?
stabbing myself today with the frozen shrimp. Trying to break off some.
Yeah, I'm getting bites. Hook yourself on to, baby. Hook yourself on to my bait, baby. Let me check my bait. It's gone. Oh. Yeah, okay. Show it up, show it up. Me too.
Off what?
Hmm? What, baby? You want this?
No, what were you using?
Squid. Oh, whoa, that's a monster.
Hey, give me that shrimp. You can't have that.
Soapfish.
What's that called?
Soapfish, watch.
Soapfish?
Yep. Come here. So rub them in your hands like this. And see the soap?
Oh, yeah.
It's a soapfish.
Oh, wow, okay.
It makes soap.
Oh, look at that, guys. We're making soap.
From a fish.
Oh, shit. They don't do pools here in Florida.
It don't smell like something else. It smells like fish.
Yeah. You saw that, baby?
Yeah.
Cool. That was cool. Uh-huh. What's that, baby?
Those grunts.
Yeah. There you go. Kevin caught a fish, a grunt. Yes.
Yeah.
Huh? No. He ate my bait. Or he was trying to eat it. Yeah. They were good though. We fried them. They were good. They were real good.
Now everybody's getting you got it.
Huh?
You got it. It's like boogie.
right, there you go.
Tell him, way too many. 83? That might feel a little bit today.
Let me in.
Oh, very good. Get you a video.
Mm-hmm. Go ahead. You guys, you good. Look at that. Kevin got a red grouper, not a keeper, but he's beautiful. Hey, look at him. Hi, beautiful. Thank you.
Nice red grouper.
Yes.
Out of season.
Oh, I caught it on Friday.
All right, back to the depths. You made it back alive.
Go ahead, baby. You're doing good. February, you know I'm gonna be in here like white rice. I'm gonna be in here. Give me that cigarette. Quit 3 years ago.
Yeah, no you didn't. You're still getting your nickel.
Yeah. With no chemicals. Sometimes you gotta make that choice.
Yep.
Let it go. I'm going to the bathroom, baby. Let me go to the bathroom. That's what happens when you drink beer too early.